Addition with decimals. Next, coming to exercise 8.5. Find the sum in each of the following. Okay, so sum means we know addition. We have to add. Okay, so decimal numbers, all are decimal numbers. Let us see how to add decimal numbers. Now 3 decimal numbers are given. We have to add them. Okay. Now for adding we have to arrange the numbers. No. So how can we arrange the numbers? Okay. You have to remember one thing in your mind. If there is a decimal point, when you are arranging the numbers, the decimal point should be on a straight line. That is vertically all the numbers, the decimal point should come in a straight line. Okay, so listen how I am arranging them. Okay, 0.007. So 0.007. Okay, I'm writing the first number. Okay, now next number is 8.5. Okay, so 8.5. So from where? 8 is a whole number. Ones place it is 8, no? So I have to write like this, 8.5. Okay, now 2 places you don't have any number. Okay, so can I put 0 there? Okay, why am I putting 0? So that when you are adding them, you will find it easy. Okay, if no number is there, we can put a 0 there. Okay, next number is 30.08. 30.08, can I arrange it like this? 30.08, can I write like this? No, it's wrong. Okay, why it is wrong? One thing is the decimal point is not on the straight line. Okay, and we have arranged it wrong. Okay, because 30, so tens place is coming, that 3 is in tens place, but we have written it in ones place. So this way of writing is wrong. Okay, so now I will show you how to write. So first you add 0.007, then you add 8.5, you are placing 2 zeros, and 30.08. So 30 I have to write like this, 30.08. Now no number, we don't have any number, so I told you we can put a 0. Now we have to add. Okay, so 7 plus 0 plus 0. So we have 7 here. 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. Okay, 0 plus 5 plus 0. So again 5. Now 0 plus 8 plus 0. So 8, and this 3. Okay, now what about the decimal point? Where should we place the decimal point? In all the numbers, the decimal point is before 3 numbers. So we are placing decimal point before 3 numbers. Clear? Now next one, 15 plus 0.632 plus 13.8. So how can we arrange the numbers? 15 is a whole number. We don't have decimal point. Okay, so first write 15. Okay, and we can place a decimal point and add 0 according to the numbers below, coming below. Okay, now 0.632. So where should we put 0? 0 we have to place below this 5. So 0.632. Okay, now see in 15. Okay, how many zeros we have to add now? 3 zeros. Okay, so I am placing a decimal point and adding 3 zeros. Clear? Now next one, 13.8. So where should I place 13? 13, 3 is ones, no? So ones, 1 is tens. So 13.8. Now I don't have any number, so I can put 0. Okay, now we have to add. So 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 2. Here 3. Okay, 6 plus 8, 14. So 4, carry over 1. Now 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 9. 1 plus 1 2. Now where should I place decimal point? Decimal point is before 3 numbers. So place decimal point before 3 numbers. So 1, 2 and 3. So decimal point will come here. So 29.432 is our answer. Clear? Now see sum we have to add. Okay, so we have to arrange the numbers. So 27.076. The next number is 0.55. So what is zeros in ones place? So 0 should be here. Okay, decimal point I told you straight, it should be straight. Okay, and 5 5. So 5 and 5. Okay, next number 0.004. Same way 0.004. Now in this You don't have any number. So can I add a 0 there? Yes. Okay. Now we have to add. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry over 1. Okay. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay. So 3 here and 1 carry over. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. Now you have 7 here and 2 here. Okay. So decimal point is before 3 numbers. So place decimal before 3 numbers. Okay. So 27.630. Okay. So 27.630 is our answer. Next sum is also adding. So arrange the numbers. So 25.65. The next number 9.005. So 9.005. Okay, the next one is 3.7. So it is 3.7. Okay, now here in the first number you can add a 0 here. Okay, in the last number 2 zeros you can add. Okay, now you have to add them. Okay, so 5 here. Here also 5. 6 plus 7 is 13. So carry over 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So 8 and carry over 1. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, now where should I place decimal? It is before 3 numbers. So place decimal before 3 numbers. Clear, children? Okay. Subdivision E and F. You can do it as homework in your maths notebook. Okay. Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for maths book and rupees 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. Okay, here the cost of 2 books are given, maths book and science book. Okay, so Rashid is spending money for 2 books, for buying 2 books. Okay, now we have to find the total amount spent by Rashid. So when the word total comes, we know we have to add. Okay, so to maths book and the science book price we have to add. Okay, so statement, how can we write? Money spent by Rashid for maths book is rupees 35.75, and again money spent by Rashid for science book, it is 32.60. Okay, now adding them. 35.75 and 32.60. When you add them, you get 5. 7 plus 6 is 13. Carry over 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, now where should I place decimal point? It is before 2 numbers. So I have to place before 2 numbers. Okay, so what is the total amount spent by Rashid now? Rupees 68.35. Clear, children? So total money spent is rupees 68.35. Clear? Question number 3. Radhika's mother gave a rupees 10.50 and a father gave a rupees 15.80. Find the total amount given to Radhika by her parents. Okay, so mother is giving 10 rupee 50 paise and father is also giving 15 rupees 80 paise, 15.80. Okay, now total amount given by a parents. So total, so we have to add here also. Okay, so how can we add? 10.50 and 15.80. Adding them you get 0. 5 plus 8 it is 13. So 3 and 1 carry over. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Now where can we place the decimal? It is before 2 numbers. So we have to place decimal before 2 numbers. Okay. So the total money given by a parents is how much? Rupees 26.30. Clear? So rupees 26.30 is the total money given to her by her parents. Clear, children?